Although having acne breakouts is normal, especially for teens, people can't still help but search for ways on how to clear up acne. Some are finding ways on how to treat it inexpensively, while others really save enough money so that they can pay for the soothing expensive facial skincare which can be availed in most beauty salons. But for those with hectic schedules, and can't find time to visit any facial salons or dermatologist's clinic, here are some ways that could help in clearing up your acne. 1. Avoid squeezing or popping your pimples and as much as possible, and prevent yourself from touching your outbreaks, especially with unclean hands. The more you touch or squeeze the pus out of your acne, the more sebum your skin will produce. It will take more time before your pimples and blackheads clear up because of the inflammation and irritation that can possibly occur. 2. Wash your face thoroughly at least 2 times a day. Proper facial hygiene is the best way to clear up acne as well as preventing acne from appearing. Use facial soaps that do not contain oil or soaps that are not acidic. 3. Don't forget to use moisturizer after washing your face with a sulfur-based soap that is designed specifically for acne-prone people. Washing can strip off natural lipids in your skin, so put a moisturizer that suits the type of skin you have, sensitive, normal or dry, so that your body will not produce extra oil that may cause your skin to be more susceptible to breakouts. 4. Most people turn to over-the-counter products that are made to fight acne. This is the first solution they think of on how to clear up acne instantly. There are some topical creams that do not need any prescriptions from a doctor. However, make sure that the cream you will be using may not cause you allergies that can even worsen your current facial dilemma. 5. In case you are indulging yourself in some detoxification activities such as yoga or exercise, make sure that you wipe the sweat from your face immediately after the activity. 6. Use creams that have benzoyl peroxide as an active ingredient. But keep in mind that even these anti-acne products can still cause your skin to dry even though they help in healing your acne, so you still need to use moisturizers. The stronger the medicine is, the higher percentage of benzoyl peroxide it contains. Some users testify that using creams with benzoyl peroxide is one of the best solutions on how to clear up acne. When all things fail, consult your trusted dermatologist that would give you advice and medicines on how to clear up acne. Always keep in mind that even though these tips worked for some, it does not necessarily mean that it might work for you too. Whichever solution is best for you, keep it as a part of your daily routine. No matter what technique you choose on how to clear up acne, you need to remember that your acne problems are not going to be solved overnight.